You might be thinking, what does genetic engineering mean? Well, it is the process where you are manually adding new DNA into an organism. The point is to increase the number of traits that the organism contains, and the new gene will give it the ability to follow out the trait it was made for. An example of genetic engineering is plants that were created to fight pollution. So how exactly are plants supposed to help the ecosystem? It all started with abandoned lands that are extremely polluted. Scientists were inspired to use this land and create plants that would help solve this problem. The plants that they created would break down impurities like carcinogens and cancers triggering molecules. Carcinogens is the source of getting cancer and will be reduced through these genetic engineered plants, resulting in less cancer attacks. To make all of this possible, scientists use a technique called phytoremediation. It is a solar-powered pollutant removal system. Scientists have created a type of poplar tree that removes 91% of trichloroethane. These modified poplars generate more key enzymes that work more efficiently and break down dangerous molecules, turning them into harmless byproducts. The process is done 100 times faster than normal plants. This plant was made to remove toxins, explosive residues, and it is inexpensive. Another plant that was genetically engineered for phytoremediation is called the thailcress. This plant was made to break down RDX into non-toxic metabolites. Other genetically engineered plants, farmers will have to depend on international seed companies. Genes for pharmaceutical products are in food crops. It has a risk of accidental ingestion. Plants that are genetically modified will have the potential of introducing allergens to foods and has the risk of being introduced to wild plants and reducing biodiversity. There is not enough information if genetically engineered plants are safe for humans, and it is not said on food labels if it was genetically engineered. While federal regulations allow the growing of transgenic trees in greenhouses and controlled fields for research, transgenic trees are not allowed to grow freely in the wild. It is risky to put transgenic trees in the wild because it can possibly harm other plants. It is found a possibility that transgenic plants can cause allergic reactions. Genetically modified flowers may contain Bt pollen, therefore giving it a higher possibility of killing monarch butterflies. I feel that we should not genetically engineer plants because there are more severe consequences in following through this experiment. There are possibilities that it is not only capable of harming nature, but as well as affecting humans. There is a lot to take from this situation, but you have to think, what if something goes wrong and you become sick? I think that it would be smart to play it safe and not do genetically engineering on the foods we eat.